Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and the game is not opening, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 not opening on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Xbox. Now you're going to open up the Xbox app. It does not matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. You're going to click onto your username, click onto support, click onto gaming services repair tool and then click start repairing, and now wait for it to complete this process. It's going to take a minute or two. After it's done diagnosing the issue and trying to fix it on its own, you're going to click close on here and then close the Xbox app. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, install files, and then click verify and tag it to your game files here. After you do that, you're going to click on to close here, and now you're going to go to your Forza Horizon 6 games folder. The default location should be in your C drive. From file is 6, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Forza Horizon 6. Right click on the Forza Horizon 6 exe, properties, compatibility, click on to disable full screen optimizations, and click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, OK, and close this up. Now you're going to go into your BIOS settings. So you're going to open up a start menu, right here, change advanced startup options, click on to restart now and follow the on-screen options to go into your BIOS menu. Once you're into your BIOS menu, now what you need to do is you need to find the setting called CPU AES instructions. So you're going to play around with this setting. If the setting is turned on, you're going to disable it and then restart your computer and try to play the game. If it's turned off, you're going to enable it and then restart your computer and try to play the game. And now you'll see that your game will most definitely work now. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.